Alright guys, so we got our new batteries, our 4S 6600mAh from CNHL, our new sponsor, and we got them charged up. So first one's already installed. Now these are Dean's, so I have to use some clips to make it right, but that gives me the ability to go into anything, and later on we can get some with the EC5s or whatever. We'll figure it all out. Part of the game. So I want to thank them for this. This is going to be epic. Can't wait. So we'll put the goats are hooting. So we'll put the GPS in there. Hopefully it doesn't go nutty. And this one will go here. Again, this is 2 4S hooked up. Oh. I need batteries. Be right back. Alright guys, after some monkeying around, resetting the ESC, turned out that I wasn't bound. It was silly stuff, controller stuff. Controller batteries are low. Fighting Murphy big time today. So, this is our maiden voyage with 8S. Holy crap! Bike wasn't lying. So scary, man. So we got to build a ramp next, or at least that's the game plan. Whoa, do you see that tire balloon? We'll see how long this battery charges for. Did I leave the speedometer over there on the table? Did I? This thing's a monster. What? We'll get a quick speed on her, and then Lauren, you get to drive. It is freaking fast. I might have to move my car. I don't want to hit it. Alright, make sure we get some satellites. And hopefully we don't lose it. Again, this is with our new 120c CNHL 6600 Lipos, so we'll get a rough time on this as well. Started recording when we got her out. These are fresh charge packs. We did a lot of monkeying around, so they might not be fully charged. Took me about an hour. Let me see if I can get some full throttle. It's off-road. Whoa, so fast. Wheelie! Now I see why Al loves this thing. He's got a bunch of these. And Mike, Spare Time RC. He's been doing some great videos lately if you haven't watched them. Anyways, so this is our test run of CNHL. I still haven't gotten full throttle, and I'm only at 75% right now. Let's put it on 100 and see what we get. Oh! Oh! So fast, wheelies like nothing. You want it on full, Lauren? I don't think I have reverse on. Dang it, I screwed with the ESC and I forgot to turn reverse on. Talk about walk of shame. Alright. Let's see where we're at with it. I can't even go full throttle, Lauren. We're going to have to take this to Mendon so we can open it up. I'm going to turn it on 50. There's no reason even running it that fast. It's not enough area. Let's see if we beat 40. 33. So this is 50% speed. Still nuts. What? Yeah, we're gonna take it to Mendon. You wanna drive? It's all the draw. If you want to bump it up, it's right there. But yeah, we only got steering one way still. I gotta reset the servo. So cool. Wow! Thanks CNHL. Thanks Mike. Give her a rip. So fun. Oh. See what I mean about turning that way? It just doesn't like it. We'll have to fix it. So awesome. Alright, we're taking it to the park later. Awesome. You all done? Okay. Alright, we'll recharge the I'm going to put this back in there and see if I can get it on the road for a second. It looks like the road's pretty clear. Shush! Don't tell nobody. Maybe. Gear seems a little loose. But I got to give this a once over. So the game plan is once we get some time on it, we'll then put all the brand new upgrades that and spares that Mike gave us when we bought it. Just want to see what we can get for speed out of her. Probably the wrong time of day to be doing it. See that little jump? Dang it, this thing is scary when it's coming at you. Mike wasn't kidding. It's like a big WL or a big LC. We're gonna have to learn how to jump with this guy. Ugh. And we gotta definitely put reverse on. So, not bad for our first trip. Wow! Just hit my car. Wheel in! Now that's some 8S. Look what I did to the driveway. So fun. Every time I stop, there's no cars. Oh well, enough for today. So we'll get her out later and we'll get a nice run at the park. It's a good first run. CNHL did me some good. Thanks again, and make sure you check them out. Links will be in the description. They got a special right now. Specials are every week that are changing. So, but again, this is our CNHL 6600 120c Lipos. 2 4S's make the 4 8S, and this is on our OutCast 8S. Like and subscribe, guys. So this is 10 minutes and we still got plenty of voltage left, so you get a good run out of these things. Alright, I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace.